In May 2021, US largest oil pipeline company, Colonial Pipeline, announced that it had fallen victim to a devastating ransomware attack that shut down the operation and cut off the fuel supplies to millions. This caused a massive economic disruption across the eastern United States, with overall global damage losses projected to be $20 billion this year. Hello everyone, this is Rajneesh Gupta, and in this video we are going to learn about ransomware, how it works, and some prevention techniques. What is ransomware? Alright, so ransomware is basically a malicious software that lock and encrypt the victim computer files and demand for ransom to restore the access. Now let's talk about how it works. There are many different mediums that ransomware can be delivered to the victim machine. One of the very popular method is through phishing email, or we call it as spam email. This consists of an attachment, and this attachment could be of different names. It could be of invoice, it could be of resumes, or it could be even about receipt as well. So it depends on kind of target victim we have. The file name or the content in the email can be changed by the threat actors. Users tend to download such attachment files as it seems familiar to them. The user click on the file, it get installed, and the ransomware get into action, and all the files starts getting encrypted. Once the files are encrypted, a banner pops up that says your files are encrypted. If you want them back, then you need to get the key. And to get the key from the hacker, you have to pay some ransom amount, and that to be paid in Bitcoin. Now let's talk about some prevention techniques. Install the updates on your computer or laptop whenever it is available, whether it is Windows machine or Mac OS, or in fact your Linux machine as well. Always make sure your system is up to date. Don't install softwares from any unrecognized publishers. Buy antivirus and keep it always up to date. Always keep a backup of your important files. I hope you got the idea about ransomware and some prevention technique. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, I would love to answer that. Bye for now.